Hello friends, my name is AJ. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Volume Rocker. If you still not have subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon button for upcoming videos. This is how the box looks like. You can see this the Kubra is written on top of box. So let's begin. Hello friends, today I am going to review trimmer which I ordered from Amazon website. It's so cheap, trimmer under 600 rupees. I am going to opening this box. I had given link in bio for this product too. Purchase if you need. In box, inside we get this USB cable, from which you can charge the device from laptop or power bank. As you can see, this cable which will be used for charging. I will tell in end how to plug it. Let's see this trimmer, which is black in color, looking amazing. Let's open this cover. As we can see, this is trimmer which is so lightweight and grippy, that's the good thing. The material used is so good. Here's the charging LED indicator, which will be turned on to green, when you will connect it for charging. You can see, the blade's quality is so good. It is stainless steel. Here you can see, the charging port, which will be used for charging. This is the power button, from which you can switch on to use the trimmer. You can see this. And here is the trimmer size set button, from which you can set up to 40 sizes, for trimming your hair to different sizes. Here is the lock button, which you can turn on, to lock the size. Here you can see, this is brush, which will help you to clean the blades and hair clips, so that the trimmer work fine. As you can see, there are 2 hair clips given in the box. Both are different in sizes, which will be used to set your beard and hair according to need. It also contain liquid which will help you to clean the blades. Now I am going to show you how to charge it. Let's plug the USB cable in your laptop and charge it. Here you can see the LED indicator turned on when I connect it. This was all about this trimmer. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel for more upcoming videos.